Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with Brownfield's Closing Market Minute. Soybeans did finish lower on Monday, but closer to the session's highs than they did to the lows. Still, at this point, there are a lot of uncertainties about demand from China, especially with the continued spread of the coronavirus in that nation that's led to the quarantine of tens of millions of people, and again is leading to further demand uncertainties with no real substantial uptick in purchases by China since signing of Phase 1 of the trade agreement on the 16th. Corn ended the session lower on demand uncertainties and the bearish pace for export inspections reflected once again earlier today, and both corn and soybeans are keeping an eye on the generally good crop conditions in most of South America. Wheat was able to end the session mixed, maybe a little bit oversold after the recent losses, but still with an eye out for any signs of demand increases. Weekly export inspections on wheat bearish this week, but the overall pace of sales remains ahead of last marketing year. Live cattle were down sharply and feeders are mostly lower, also with demand uncertainties and the general bearishness across the markets, including the equities, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping sharply. This week's direct cash cattle show list looks mixed when compared to last week. And hogs were sharply lower on these steady to sharply lower cash during the session and demand concerns. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.